Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Violet. We're from Violet Cause with you, and today we're going to be reviewing a Pusheen box. Exciting! On the official Pusheen website, it says that Pusheen box is officially licensed and subscription box contains adorable first edition and exclusive Pusheen merchandise delivered 4 times per year. This one is being delivered only seasonally rather than monthly. So it would be shipped in the middle of each season, like summer, spring, fall or winter, and they all contain a different theme. So each year it's a different theme for each season. All the items in the Pusheen box are being exclusive, which means you can't buy it anywhere else out of the Pusheen subscription. The price for one subscription box is around $43.95, which is around 68 to 70 New Zealand dollars. So we're going to be opening the box together and seeing what's inside and see if it's actually worth that much money. So let's get started and open this box.